Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you some of the insane Openclaw, formerly the clawdbot use cases. So the first and foremost one is as an SEO agency. Let me just show you here. Just a couple of days ago, I did whole SEO. Everything was written, researched by Openclaw, clawdbot, and look at this. Look at the impression. 1.47k, total 13 clicks, and 0.9 in just 2 days without me having to do anything. Everything done by the Openclaw, the research, writing, scripting. I just proofread and finally published it. And it also finds the images here. Check this. All this draft it has made ready. Look at this. All this text has been already been published. So if I want to publish this, I simply go to edit, check what's here. Okay, so it looks like it's done with markdown. Let's ask it to convert this into HTML. Okay, this article is done in down, convert it to HTML. Okay, let's see using MCP. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it's firing, and while it's working, let me just show you where I have hosted Openclaw clawdbot. Okay, so this is Hesner, extremely cheap, extremely reliable server, and I'm hosting on 16 gigs RAM on Germany VPS here. So I'm hosting Openclaw here. Look at this here. This is the Openclaw I'm hosting here, and I'm accessing it via remote desktop protocol at the moment using Windows app. So it is a bit slow, but and the reason I'm giving this Windows desktop and GUI is to make sure that Openclaw has access to the Chrome browser so that it can like go to any website and automate for me. So like I don't have to like have API for everything. So for example, let me just go here, open xai x.com, sorry. If I just log in here, let me just go again here, verify it's me. Let me get the password from my Proton Pass 10 copied. Let's do it. So now it can like access this one and post it here. Let me just show you demo here while it's working here. Okay, so let's check if it has finished it. Not. Yes, look at this, it formatted it properly. Now what I will do is I will simply just change this to published. That's all. Now look at this, this one is published. Okay, so I will ask it to change everything for all the articles, but before that let me just show you. Open your headless Chrome, open profile and create a new tweet from that article. Let's see. So it's running. Let's check what it does here. Look at this. It opened it. It's running it. Okay. Now let's see what it does. Look at my cursors. I'm not doing anything. So everything is like done by Openclaw. Let's just go back and see here. It's running still. So let's see what it does. Okay. So something is blocking it. So it'll come up with answer. So what happened? So let's just give it some time to try. Okay, so it is started to write itself. Yeah, look at this, the power of giving it access to the browser. And there's another way of like giving it access, and there is through like the Chrome itself, not the OpenClaw's OpenBot's headless browser, but like from your operating system's Chrome using MCP, relay MCP that will help it like communicate, but that is extremely buggy and I would not recommend that. So I decided to go with this one. So let's see. Let me just do it myself. Let's just see if it is like the pricing problem that I have posted too many times. That's why it's blocking me. Let me just hit post and see. Yeah, it worked. So it was finding difficult to like click, but still you can see that it was able to like go there and browse and create a post. Okay, so now once that is done on Openclaw, let's go to our content calendar here and mark that post as published here. Okay. Look at this. It is running. It is doing on Reddit at the moment now. It's awesome because I had all set up Reddit. I'm just logged in because like I'm in different region and this VM is in different region, so network is flagging it and most of the time it gets like logged out, but still it's extremely powerful. Okay, now let's go here and check on our content calendar and see what posts are in DRAF draft and make the current post as PUBL as published. So, and the current post that I just published is this one. Okay, this one published also. Check calendar and add missing post from post slash article. So actually it is article from draft to that table. Let's do that. Let's see, because I think that one after it drafted, it is missing something here. So let's see. So these are ideas. So I will also make it to check if all these ideas have been drafted. If drafted, then we should like mark it like a review instead of idea. Let's see what it does. And another reason that CloudBot and Open like Claw is doing extremely great is because it is not like inactive system, it's like proactive system. So you can schedule, you can set up cron, so that so it doesn't have to be always like waiting for a message. So you can set up cron and systems like that, automations like that, so it'll automatically do the job on that required timing. So it did try to post, but it didn't understand what I asked it to do. Let's see. Reddit is blocking the browser. You see, try Twitter is working. Let me search for more. So it is doing something. Let's see. So probably it is doing with next message here regarding the table. I will also show you all the schedule or cron job I have set up for CloudBot. While it is powerful, it is also extremely important that you keep the security in mind. Otherwise, if you like don't add proper security and validation, then anyone from the internet can like access your whole computer. So it is very important, and so you don't have to be a security expert in order to like make it secure. You can ask CloudBot or any chat assistant to make it more secure. So that's what I did. Basically, I use Claude subscription, and then just I make it more secure by asking Claude to like add some implementation to make it more secure. Okay, so here it is. My reply, that's done. Updated chaotic rise of CloudBot to publish. Let's check if it has published, updated it to published or not. Let me just refresh it. I don't think it's here. Yeah, the chaotic rise of, yep, it's published it, and these are other ideas. So probably those drafts are ideas. So let me just make it. All these articles exist as draft inside this article published because it was okay. So okay, let's change status to add a new status, and anything that is drafted, make the status draft. And I'm using Serenities AI, and it is all extremely powerful because everything here can be controlled with AI itself. And we can also create front end and table files, everything. So this is another very powerful system. Let's see what it come up with. Okay, guys. So this is a basic like walkthrough of what I have built. So if you want more detailed walkthrough, or like how to install CloudBot or moltbot, whatever, so how to like any use cases you are thinking of, you can just let me know, and then I'll create a new video and then upload it. So thank you, guys.